10 Coolest Gadgets You Will Want to Buy. In today's fast-paced world, technology is constantly evolving, and with it comes an array of innovative gadgets designed to make our lives easier, more entertaining, and incredibly efficient. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gadget lover, or someone who simply enjoys using cutting-edge tools, the market is filled with exciting devices that can enhance your daily experience. From cleaning tools that help keep your electronics spotless to portable chargers that power your devices on the go, there's no shortage of amazing products out there. If you're on the lookout for gadgets that will make your life more convenient, fun, and connected, then you're in for a treat. OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. The OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner is a small but mighty gadget that should be in every laptop owner's arsenal. Designed to keep your laptop screen spotless, this portable cleaner features a microfiber cloth and a mini brush that make cleaning your device incredibly easy. Whether you're wiping away smudges from your touchscreen or dusting off your keyboard, the OXO Sweep and Swipe gets the job done efficiently without causing any scratches or damage. The compact, ergonomic design makes it perfect for slipping into your bag or desk drawer, meaning you can always have it handy when your screen or keyboard starts looking a little grimy. It's ideal for those who like to maintain a clean workspace and want to keep their devices in pristine condition at all times. What makes the OXO Sweep and Swipe particularly special is how user-friendly it is. Google Pixel Tablet. The Google Pixel Tablet is a game-changer for anyone who wants to experience the full power of Android in a sleek portable tablet format. This device is perfect for those who want the convenience of a tablet with the productivity features of a laptop. Sporting a stunning high-resolution display, the Pixel Tablet offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it ideal for streaming videos, browsing the web, or even editing photos and documents on the go. The tablet runs on the latest Android operating system, meaning you get all the features and apps you'd expect from a top-tier Google device. With the built-in Google Assistant, you can control your smart home, search the web, and set reminders just by using your voice, making it an incredibly versatile tool. The Pixel Tablet isn't just about looks and software, it's designed for performance. With its fast processor and ample RAM, you'll find multitasking is a breeze. Anker PowerCore 10000. The Anker PowerCore 10000 is a portable charger that packs an incredible amount of power into a compact pocket-sized device. With its 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this power bank can charge your smartphone multiple times on a single charge, making it a must-have for travelers, commuters, or anyone who spends time away from an outlet. The sleek, lightweight design allows you to easily slip it into your bag or even your pocket, making it highly portable without sacrificing functionality. The PowerCore 10000 is compatible with a wide range of devices, including phones, tablets, and even some laptops, providing you with a reliable backup power source whenever you need it most. Bose SoundLink Flex. For music lovers and audiophiles, the Bose SoundLink Flex is a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers impressive sound quality in a compact and durable package. Whether you're out camping, having a picnic, or just lounging by the pool, this speaker brings your favorite tunes to life with rich, clear sound and deep bass. The SoundLink Flex is engineered with Bose's proprietary technology to ensure that it delivers high-fidelity audio in all environments. Its waterproof and rugged design makes it perfect for outdoor use, and it can withstand exposure to the elements, whether it's rain, snow, or dust. No matter where you are, you'll get full-range sound that's clear and immersive. One of the best things about the Bose SoundLink Flex is its long battery life. It can play music for up to 12 hours on a single charge, allowing you to keep the party going throughout the day or night. Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is a virtual reality headset that immerses you in an entirely new world of gaming entertainment and interactive experiences. With its wireless design, the Quest 2 frees you from the constraints of cables, allowing for a fully immersive VR experience. The headset features high-resolution optics and a large library of games and apps, providing hours of entertainment. Whether you're fighting off virtual enemies in a game, exploring new worlds, or enjoying VR content like concerts or movies, the Oculus Quest 2 offers a unique and captivating experience. The device is also incredibly comfortable, with adjustable straps and lightweight design, so you can wear it for hours without discomfort. The Oculus Quest 2 doesn't just excel in gaming, it's also an innovative tool for social interaction and productivity. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds are the perfect combination of style, comfort, and superior sound quality. These premium wireless earbuds are designed for audiophiles who want a true high-definition sound experience on the go. With their advanced noise-canceling technology, the Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds block out unwanted noise, allowing you to focus on your music, podcast, or calls without distractions. The sound quality is crisp and clear, with a deep bass response that brings your music to life. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure fit, and the earbuds are sweat and water resistant, making them perfect for workouts or outdoor activities. Hero Pro 6 Mesh Wi-Fi System. The Hero Pro 6 Mesh Wi-Fi System is a revolutionary product that takes your home internet connection to the next level. Traditional Wi-Fi routers can often struggle to cover large spaces or eliminate dead zones in your home. But the Hero Pro 6 solves this problem by using mesh technology. This system creates a seamless network that provides fast, reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout your entire home, even in hard-to-reach areas like basements or large multi-story houses. With support for Wi-Fi 6, the Hero Pro 6 ensures faster speeds and the ability to handle more devices simultaneously, making it perfect for households with multiple users and devices. WiseCam 3. The WiseCam 3 is an affordable and feature-packed security camera that brings high-quality surveillance to your home. With its 1080p HD video resolution, the WiseCam 3 provides clear and detailed footage, whether you're monitoring the front door, your backyard, or the garage. The camera features night vision, allowing it to record in low-light conditions, so you can feel confident knowing your home is protected around the clock. The two-way audio lets you communicate with anyone near the camera, which can be especially useful if you're answering the door or checking on pets. The WiseCam 3 is also weatherproof, so you can use it both indoors and outdoors, ensuring that you get the coverage you need no matter where you place it. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker. The TileMate Bluetooth Tracker is a must-have gadget for anyone who's ever misplaced their keys, wallet, or other important items. This small, compact tracker attaches easily to your belongings, allowing you to find them quickly using your phone. By using Bluetooth technology, the TileMate pairs with the Tile app, which helps you locate your lost items within a certain range. If you've lost your keys in the house, simply open the app and trigger the TileMate to make a sound, helping you track it down. If you're out and about, you can also see the last known location of your item on a map. The TileMate is a lifesaver for keeping track of your everyday essentials and preventing frustrating moments of searching for lost items. Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 Wireless Charger. The Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 Wireless Charger is the perfect solution for anyone with multiple devices that need charging. This sleek, all-in-one charging station can simultaneously charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, eliminating the need for multiple cords and chargers. With a maximum output of 15 W for your phone, it provides fast charging speeds, allowing you to power up your devices quickly and efficiently. The design is compact and stylish, making it a great addition to your desk, nightstand, or any area where you need a tidy charging setup. One of the standout features of the Belkin Boost Charge Pro is its MagSafe compatibility, which ensures that your iPhone stays perfectly aligned for the best charging experience. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.